If your microphone is not working on Instagram while recording stories, reels, or voice messages on your Android device, here's how to fix it. First, check app permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Permissions, and ensure that microphone access is allowed. If it's denied, enable it and restart the app. Next, restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix temporary glitches affecting the microphone. Also, try closing other apps that might be using the microphone, such as WhatsApp, Messenger, or any voice recording apps. If the issue persists, clear the Instagram cache by going to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, try Clear Data. Note, this will log you out. Check if your phone's microphone works in other apps. Open your phone's voice recorder or another app like WhatsApp and test the microphone. If the mic isn't working anywhere, the issue might be with your phone's hardware. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date by visiting the Google Play Store, searching for Instagram and tapping Update if available. Outdated version may have bugs that affect the microphone. Try using wired or Bluetooth earphones with a built-in mic to see if the issue is with the phone's internal microphone. If the sound records fine with earphones, your phone's mic might need cleaning or repair. If Instagram's microphone issue started after a recent Android update, it could be a software bug. Check if your device has a pending system update by going to Settings, then find the software update option and update your phone. If none of these solutions work, reinstall Instagram by uninstalling it from your phone, restarting the device and downloading it again from the Google Play Store. Still having issues? Report the problem to Instagram by going to Settings, Help, report a problem and follow the instructions to explain that your microphone isn't working. That's it. Hopefully this helps you fix the Instagram microphone not working issue. If this worked, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.